Sometimes when you're printing a tote bag, you can get burn marks, and it happens because you're not managing well heat, time, or pressure. In this video, we're gonna show you from Yodo how you can print a tote bag without getting any of those mistakes. So stick around till the end because we're gonna show you step by step what you have to do to get the best printing out of your tote bags.
Okay, so you're doing this to get rid of the burn mark. So basically, you just want to put something inside, like a pillow or a piece of foam. Put it inside like that, right? Pre-press it for a couple of seconds. Lift it up. The reason I'm using the foam is because if you put it flat on the heat press like this, these are raised. This part is raised, so when you put it down, you're putting too much pressure, so it's crushing it. So you want to use the pillow. You put it inside, right? And then put on your transfer. I'm pressing it at 375 for 45 seconds on a medium pressure. Okay. As soon as it opens, you can take off your. There you go. Nice. As you can see, there is no scorch marks at all. Ow. The pillow is very hot, so be careful. So as you can see, there is no scorch marks when you put the pillow inside there. Colors are all the same. I mean, if you see the lines here, use your iron to iron it out and it should be back to normal. That's it.